Today I'm going to be unboxing the Superman Through the Years poster and the Superman 3D wall clock from ZeWood, ZeWood.co. Let's have a look what's inside. A lot of sticky tape. It says it's come from Poland, all the way from Poland. So really interested to see how this is boxed. All right, so now to the main part. So it's ZeWood, Discover Fantasy Framed in Wood. Let's get the first one off here. Let's see what this one is to start with. Okay. This is an officially licensed Superman poster, highly detailed design with eco-friendly materials. How impressive is that? The Superman Through the Years poster is available in 3 different sizes and is available with free international express shipping worldwide. Okay, let's see what this other one is. The Superman 3D wall clock is available in 3 different sizes as well. This is also an officially licensed DC Comics item, highly detailed design, eco-friendly materials, also comes with free international express shipping worldwide, and the frame and plexiglass are included and ready to hang. Clock. Wow, impressive. So there you have it, 2 pieces from ZeWood, or ZeWood.co. You've got the Superman shirt rip from across different generations, different iterations. You've got New 52, Classic, and just a really great design. Timber. It's got 2 hanging hooks on the back, and they supply the screws and everything you need to hang it up. And then you've got the really impressive Superman clock. It's got Perspex cover on the front. You've got Superman there looking like he's at the Fortress of Solitude. That's a clock. It says Superman on the top. That's all in timber, 3D. And then you've obviously got the clockwork on the back and the ability again to hang it through the hook up here. And again, they've given you enough screws and what have you to be able to do what you need to do. I guess the only problem with these is where am I going to put them? I'm Steve Eunice from supermanhomepage.com.
Subscribe to our free Superman homepage newsletter and stay in the loop. Go to supermanhomepage.com/newsletter. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell to ensure you don't miss out on any of our new videos.